Well, I'll be. I didn't even see you there. Talking, boss.
It's all right. It's okay. You're just going out there behind them trees. Man's got to have his privacy sometime. Just keep shaking that bush so we know you're there.
Shoo! Well, since you're here, gather on round for a little chit-chat about the legendary Cool Hand Luke. Now, this ain't just your run-of-the-mill flick. It's a deep dive into the good old human spirit, with more layers than peeling an onion on a hot day. So we got the protagonist, Paul Newman, strutting his stuff as Luke Jackson. Now, this dude's got charisma for days and plays the character like it's nobody's business. You can't help but be drawn into Luke's world, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The director Stuart Rosenberg takes us on a wild ride, throwing up symbolism and subtext like it's dust on a dirt road. The southern landscape, it's not just a scenery. It's like another character screaming at us about the struggle for identity and freedom. The visuals are as intense as a coiled rattlesnake, driving home the idea that Luke's fight ain't just with the system, but with a world that just gives no hoots. Luke's the poster child for the anti-hero, and he's got a rebellious streak that'll make your grandma blush. And his buddies are a mixed bag of struggles, desires, and fears. It's like looking in a room full of mirrors, reflecting all these different slices of humanity pie. And let's not forget about the whole freedom and rebellion thing. Luke's like the flag bearer for the human spirit's quest for freedom. He gives society the finger with his nonconformity, spitting in that grumpy old man's face that's trying to ruin the party. And the tensions between the big shots and the rebels keep you on the edge of your seat, wondering who's going to win the staring contest. Well, this is Lodi's Movie Reviews. Be rebellious and feast your eyes on a film that'll fill your belly with more eggs than any man can eat.